Hello, my little rays of sunshine. How are you all doing out there today? I'm Michelle the Introvert, and I'm on another adventure. I'm actually in the car with my family. Gerald is driving, and Joshua's in the back seat there. Stacy is sitting beside Joshua, but she's hidden. And I'm in the front seat here, keeping an eye on the GPS. And where are we going today? We are going to Lake Doucette Motor Speedway, and they're having a car show. I've never been to this speedway before. It sounds like a lot of fun. So come on along, my friends. It'll be great to spend this time together. That's a nice car right there. Classic car alert. Lake Doucette Motor Speedway. Welcome, race fans. This is a really nice and interesting speedway. I think it might be fun to come here on a day when they're racing. There's some bleachers behind me for people to sit on days when there is a race going on. You can see the fence there just to keep everybody safe. But this looks like it would be a really, really fun place to come. There's quite a few vehicles lined up for the car show. Seems to be a really good turnout. We're here, my friends, and this is very, very exciting. This has been a really fun day so far, and I'm glad that we came here to this raceway. So many different cars to see, some of them classic, some of them race cars. Really nice variety, very nice different styles. I'm so glad that we came. And I think we're gonna head on down to our next adventure. It's a little bit warm, and look what's behind me. Another classic truck, wonderful. We were at Dairy Queen. We didn't realize that it was so close to lunch, so here we are. We're picking up something for lunch, and we're going to take it back home so we can relax and enjoy the rest of the day. We just picked up our order, 4 double cheeseburgers with bacon, and here's the Dairy Queen bag right here. It's quite a large one. It's a large one. We're going to head back to the house and enjoy our lunch. And my friends, I think we're going to call it a day. I want to thank you so much for joining us today. We had a lot of fun at the Speedway. It was really nice to see all of those cars. And thanks so much for joining us. And if you like this vlog, please give us the YouTube thumbs up or press that subscribe button. That would be great. And we have more vlogs on the way. So stay tuned, and we'll talk to you all soon. Talk to you soon, my friends. Bye.